Meristematic, meristematic, meristematic. Tissue, tissue, tissue. Promeristem, promeristem, promeristem. Earliest, earliest, earliest. Stage, stage, stage. Develop, develop, develop. Organ, organ, organ. True, true, true. Wow, 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 wow. Welcome to the 17th day of the journey. So how are you doing today? How has it been? How have you been finding this journey? I don't know, but something tells me that my students are finding this journey interesting. Anyways, if you just see me for the first time, you're so welcome to the channel. This is what we do here. It's all about speak right, read right, and write right. It's all about English language. You can actually join this family by subscribing, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for sticking around. So today is actually the 17th day of this journey, and this journey has been amazing, isn't it? So that aside, let's dive right into today's video. Division, division, division. Differentiation, differentiation, differentiation. Primary, primary, primary. Meristem, meristem, meristem. Secondary, secondary, secondary. Growing, growing, growing. Region, region, region. Divide, divide, divide. Cambium, cambium, cambium. Permanent, permanent, permanent. Respectively, respectively, respectively. Example, example, example. Specialized, specialized, specialized. Connective, connective, connective. Muscular, muscular, muscular. Fiber, fiber, fiber. Contractive, contractive, contractive. Consist, consist, consist. Together, together, together. Epidermal, epidermal, epidermal. Parenchyma, parenchyma, parenchyma. Between, between, between. Structure, structure, structure. Save, save, save. Stopped, stopped, stopped. Division, division, division. Growth, growth, growth. Formed, formed, formed. Differentiation, 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 world, 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 thick, 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 simple, 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 complex, complex, complex. So I have these following 2 letters, 3 letters, and 4 letter words we're likely going to see on today's video. So let's read them together. We have off, at, to, up, or, by. Again, off, at, to, up, or, by. And to 3 letters I have and, has, d, tip, one. Again, and, has, d, tip, one. 4 letters we have thin, dead, root, form, rise, give, may, type, when, day, more, than, body, cook, then, stem, made, that, have, cell. Again, thin, dead, root, form, rise, give, may, type, when, day, more, than, then, body, cook, stem, made, that, have, cell. Okay, so this is the outcome of today's words pronunciation. So we have this comprehension, so let's read it together. The topic is meristematic tissue. Meristematic tissue. Meristematic tissues have promeristem, primary meristem, and secondary meristem. Promeristem has group of meristematic cells which at the earliest stages of a developing organ through its division and differentiation give rise to primary. Meristematic tissues have promeristem, primary meristem, and secondary meristem. Promeristem has group of meristematic cells which at the earliest stages of a developing organ through its division and differentiation give rise to primary. Meristem, secondary, and primary meristem form the growing region of the tips of roots and stem. Secondary and primary meristem form the growing region of the tips of roots and stem, then divide and cause the growth in the length of the plant body. Secondary meristem divides and causes the thickness in the width of the plant body. Then divide and cause the growth in the length of the plant body. Secondary meristem divides and causes the thickness in the width of the plant body. Examples of secondary meristem are the cambium and cambium. Primary and secondary permanent meristem, respectively. Permanent meristem is made up of cells that have temporarily or permanently stopped cell division and growth. The tissues are formed by the differentiation of primary and secondary meristem. Examples of secondary meristem are the cambium and cambium. Primary and secondary permanent meristem, respectively. Permanent meristem is made up of cells that have temporary or permanently stopped cell division and growth. The tissues are formed by the differentiation of primary and secondary meristem. The cells may be simple when they are made up of one type of cells, or complex when they are made up of more than one type of cell. The cells may be simple when they are made up of one type of cells, or complex when they are made up of more than one type of cell. Alright, so far so good. We have come to the end of today's video, and I hope you actually get the gist today. I hope you actually followed the class. Don't forget, we are still on our 31 days reading journey, and I believe we have actually leveled to level 8 by now, because this is actually the 17th day of the journey. We have gone half of this journey, so by now it should be 10/20, but at least 8/20. Alright, so thank you for watching, and don't forget to stay safe. See you same time tomorrow by God's grace, and bye for now.